I think I sent you some photos on the way here, just some before and afters. Like the work they do, honestly, like I'm impressed. As a real estate broker investor myself, it's complete quality. Like replacing the roofs, impact windows, like I'm just so like the product that they brought to the market, I feel like is next to none. You know, it's all about networking because his mom is a licensed realtor, but I sourced the deal and we worked it out together and now they have it listed. So let's check it out. Welcome to East Boca Raton, baby. Oh, you got child lock on. Oh, this is outfit number 2, sorry. Sorry. Come on in, guys. Welcome to East Boca Raton, one of the newest listings that just came onto the market, under $1 million. Zona Addison Meisner's in some of the best schools in Boca Raton. You have to come check it out. Oh, call. I think it's a bill collector. Come in. Rachel. I'm great. Sorry. Hey guys, it's DVO Morcelin here with United Realty Group. I have the pleasure of introducing you to Rachel with International Realty. She just finished up this amazing project, and I would love for Rachel to take it off me.
We have a new roof. We have a new impact windows and door. We have a new pool. We have a marble floor in the deck. It's infinity. You see, this is not. We don't have a.
This is
pool deck. We have a one level. We have a new bathroom, new kitchen. The kitchen. Look at the kitchen.
Look at it.
Look at the kitchen. It's very comfy. You see, most of the time you lose half a
European?
drawer. Yes, and look at that. They have
Built-in
a
cooktop.
double this.
And
then you have here, the appliances are high end.
I love it.
Look at the fridge. The fridge is not traditional fridge. The fridge is called
counter-depth.
Yeah. And then you have more space in the kitchen. We have everything. You know, this is the top of the line in quartz right now. And the floor is vinyl. This is waterproof floor. Baseboard was professional paint in and outside.
For me personally, it's very important. You have the pool, but then you have so much other potential with the backyard space. Like,
you can make, you have a lot of potential.
You
can do a pergolas, you can do a
outside
barbecue
kitchen
area, you can do kitchen. And in the other side, you can place your RV, your boat, or
anything you
truck
want.
or
There's
something.
no HOA here.
No, it's not. And then, I designed this house, neutral colors. I love designing. This is not a secret. I design in these colors with the black
neutral
color as a touch, you know, because that brings the house like elegant. But at the same time, I have to be careful because I have to, everybody has to love to do their changes, they customize. That's me.
I love it. How many projects have you completed so far this year?
This year, I completed 31.
31 homes this year?
Yes, this year. Mm-hmm.
Including this one and the other one?
Including that one.
Okay.
The other one would be 32.
But no, I love it. I'm so glad I had the opportunity to meet your son. He introduced me to you.
Yeah, likewise.
I'm so excited. You know, I don't even have to be a part of it. I just want to deliver. Bringing you guys to a neighborhood, having you guys purchase anything, I just want it sold for you guys as your perspective. You guys are investors. You guys need to cover your bottom line, and I need you guys to be profitable. You know, because your word is everything. And if I gave you my professional opinion on what I think it's worth and what you bought it for, I need to deliver on that. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying the tour so far. Honestly, this house is amazing. I don't think there's any other property in the East Boca Raton market that will beat this house out, honestly. We have the marble floors coming out to the backyard on this 10,800 square foot lot that's oversized. You could bring your RV, you could bring your boat, you could bring your jet skis, you could entertain, you could fit all your friends and family back here for an amazing 4th of July pool party, walking distance to Addison Meisner Elementary School, and you're right in the mix of everything and all the happenings of East Boca Raton. Meisner, 5-minute drive from here, honest, 5 to 10 minutes drive. Brand new roof, impact windows, new filtration system, lights, the works. You just gotta bring your gazebo, your grill, and let's have a great time. Hey guys, so we're finishing up this tour here in Boca Raton. We're heading over to the next listing, completed recently by Rachel. It's gonna be an amazing house, you have to see it. So let's jump in the cars and head over to the next property. We're heading more east, baby. Woo! So this is project number 2, Rachel. Look at this house. Did you see the photos I sent you yet? Look at this house. Now, a little bit different. We're a little bit further east. We're closer to Addison Meisner, closer to the beach, closer to Meisner Park, closer to everything. And it's 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, brand new pool, brand new roof, impact windows. And it's not even done, guys. It's not done yet. Soon come, more come, more come, more come. One thing I do want to point out, side note, is the elevation level for this property. A lot of people, especially in Florida, property insurance, everything else, in addition to the impact windows, the new roofs, and all of the improvements. If you see, a lot of people might not like it, how inclined the house is from the street, but actually that is a really good thing because it keeps you elevated from flooding from the main street. I kind of just made that up, but it sounds like it makes sense. Come check it out. Rachel, nice to see you again.
Hi.
I love your project.
Nice to see you.
We understand you're finishing. It's coming soon, guys. It's not on the market. It's actually a sneak peek. If you've seen the other house, but you needed a little bit more square footage, or you wanted to be a little bit closer east, you need one more. You're planning on another baby. Be careful, I have 3. It gives you 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, fully improved, upgraded. It's gonna be staged in the next couple days. So we'll come back and see Rachel at her next incoming open house.
The good thing with this house is, first, it's an open concept again. And then in this east side of the property, you have a master bath. And also you have a mother-in-law or guest bathroom with access to the pool. And then in this side of the house, you have another 2 more rooms with a bathroom and extra closet.
Guys, walking down this hallway, we have 32 by 32 Italian porcelain tile coming all the way throughout this house. Then you are complemented by this amazing guest bathroom, all state-of-the-art European design cabinets with amazing matte black hardware, fixtures for the shower, the rain overhead. It's a beautiful property, guys.
This is the peninsula, and again, this is a top of quartz countertop, matching with the floor and the appliance, high-end floors, cabinets. I love it.
We are wrapping up this day. Please keep in mind, this is off market, coming very soon. I definitely want to give a huge shout out to Rachel for giving us access to both of her properties today. I can't wait for this house to come on the market, and we're gonna get the other one sold. Huge shout out to Willie as well. Will at Willie Numbers. Follow him on social media. He's teaching an amazing class, reverse flipping. You're only as strong as your network. And I'm so thankful and appreciative for Rachel and her family for giving me the opportunity to work with them on this project.